Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. Just after 12 noon in Honolulu, 6 o'clock in New York. It is Monday, April 19th, 2021, and this is the daily report for gold and silver. Although we saw modest price declines with gold trading lower by about $9, silver off by about 25 cents, I am optimistic about this week's potential in both precious metals. We'll discuss that in detail during the show, which begins now. After last week's dynamic surge in gold pricing, it is not unusual to see it correct a little bit as we open trading the following week. However, to me, what is most noteworthy is the fact that it traded to a new intraday high of $1,790 before closing $9 lower on the day, as it is currently fixed at $1,771.20, which is a net decline of about 0.5% on the day. One of the best ways to take a look at pricing for gold, in this case spot gold, over a 24-hour period is using the 24-hour spot gold bid chart provided by Kitco News. When we look at this, we can see that the open in Australia, which really begins right here, this would be Monday morning, was rather tepid, trading down a couple of dollars to up a couple of dollars until it hit Hong Kong trading. Once it hit into Hong Kong trading, we saw it rise to approximately 1783 and then drop back down to the lows of the day. But the real surge came as the market opened up in London, and that now is in green rather than red. We can see that that's where we saw this large price spike, taking it up to the intraday high achieved in trading of about $1,790. However, as it began to trade in the New York markets, which begin right here, we had a fall preceding that by about an hour and a half, and then a drop to the lows of the day, which came in the futures markets at $1,766.60 before recovering slightly. And as I said, currently we are tracking $1,771.20, which is a net decline of $9 on the day. We are looking at a daily candlestick chart of June gold. If you recall from last week's weekend review, we spoke about the fact that we're looking at two key distinct resistance areas that we need to see gold take out before moving higher. The first one we planned on encountering was $1,784.40, which is based off of Friday's high, as we can see right here in this candle. Today, we did get a high above that. We traded to a higher high. We also had a higher low, but we had a lower close when compared to Friday, or a lower close compared to the open of today. That being said, it is noteworthy to point out the relationship between the 21-day exponential moving average when compared with the 50-day simple day moving average. You can see that they are definitely moving closer together. The 100-day, which is currently pegged at 1803, is not going to react as quickly as it lags far behind those two other shorter moving averages. We need to see gold close above 1784.40, and then I believe we've got a clear shot on a technical basis straight to $1,800 per ounce or above, as the 100-day moving average sits at 1803.30. Therefore, traders, maintain your current long June gold and Forex positions. Maintain your current stops. Silver futures also gave up almost a full percentage point of last week's gain, closing down 23 cents and currently fixed at $25.87.5. However, on a bullish note, what we can say is that unlike gold, silver is in true bullish alignment, with the lowest moving average, the 200-day, below the 100-day, which is below the 50-day moving average. However, we can also say that there is definitely resistance at approximately 26.14, 26.15. It's a combination of the 50-day moving average, which currently resides at $26.12, and the 50% retracement level. We can see that although silver traded above both of those price points today on an intraday basis, on both occasions it closed below that. Also, today we definitely saw a decline when compared to Friday's close, as well as a decline when we compare the market's open to today's close in trading. Therefore, maintain your long position in silver along with our stop. We have moved that up so that if it does come down hard, we would get stopped out with a small profit on the trade. However, I think that it's going to truly track with gold. If we see gold break through the levels that we spoke about, which is 1783 to 1784, I believe we would see silver tag along with it and trade above $26.15. Maintain your long position in silver futures and Forex as well as SLV. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you, as always, good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for the next daily update and review. Bye-bye.